Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tools and Toys. I got my famous little helper, Naya.
Hi.
And what we're reviewing today is we're actually going to review the Dewalt DWMT75049. It is 192 piece mechanics set. As you see, it comes with nice, sturdy metal latches. It's a beautiful overmolded case, and it comes with 4 latches, one on each side, 2 in the front. Now, this is a great mechanics set, and my only issue with this mechanics set is DeWalt's guaranteed tough lifetime warranty. Because if you read right there, proof of purchase is required, warranty is non-transferable. My issue with that is I'm not going to want to keep a receipt for the next 5 or 10 years or however long it takes for this set to wear down. So, DeWalt, you suck for making that happen. It should be a no questions asked. Should be transferable so I can pass it down. With that being said, let's get into the guts of this operation. And like I said, it is 192 pieces. We have a set of SAE hex wrenches, a set of metric hex wrenches. We have 3 pair head ratchets, all 72 teeth. And I read on a lot of reviews that the 1/4-inch ratchet was actually messed up in multiple sets, which leads me to believe it's not a quality piece, as mine was also messed up too. But what I did is I popped the head apart, oiled it up a little bit, cleaned out a little debris, and it's worked fine since. With that being said, this is a very complete set, minus the 4.5 and 5.5 millimeters.
Cool.
So, and as my little helper said, it is cool too.
And look at my hammer.
As you see, she has a dead blow. I took her to Harbor Freight the other day. She was very insistent on owning her own hammer. So we'll see what breakage comes in the future to her breaking a sand-filled hammer. Back to the socket set, guys. As you see in metric, we have 4 millimeter to 14 millimeter. Now that'll be in shallow and deep. We have a 5/8 spark plug socket, a 3/4 spark plug socket, and a 13/16 spark plug socket. We also have adapters. We have a 3-inch half-inch drive extension, a 6-inch, and a 10. And that is the same, and also 3/8 and 1/4-inch drive. We also have knuckles for swivel joints. And then in the standard 1/4-inch drive, we go 5/32 to 9/16 in shallow, 5/32 to half in deep. And then at the top of the lower half, we got 1-inch, half-inch drive down to 7/16. And then we go 13 millimeter down to 24 in deep. In the shallow, we go 7/16 to 1-inch once again. And then we go 13 millimeter to 24 once again in shallow. Moving on to the 3/8 drive, we start at 1/4-inch shallow up to 7/8. And then we go 10 millimeter to 21. Now, that is all mid and shallow sockets. Those are the sizes. We'll get on to the hex sockets, hex bit sockets. We're going from 5/32 to 5/16 SAE. Then in the metric we go 4 millimeter to 8 millimeter in metric. And then we go from a Torx 10 to a Torx 45. Now, the reason why I like this set, guys, is as you see, it comes with no junky bits. When I buy a mechanic set, I don't want a bunch of 1/4" bits to come with my set. You call it a 400 piece set, and 150 of those are just little screwdriver bits.
Wow.
So these pair head ratchets, they are pretty nice. Everything has the part number stamped right into it. The square handle took some getting used to, but overall I do think it is going to last me a long time. Granted, it'll sit in my trunk until I have a mobile repair, as I have my own separate tools at work. But this is what you get, and as you see, the knurling on this, before I forget, the knurling is great. The sizes are stamped into the sides in multiple locations. All of these sockets are 6-point. So if you're doing any engine work, unfortunately you're gonna have to go track you down some 12-point sockets. But as you know, you shouldn't use a 12-point unless you've got a 12-point bolt. So, with that being said, this is the 190 piece, Dewalt Mechanics tool set DWMT75049. And that is it for this video, and Nye's gonna send you on your way. Tell them what they need to do.
Subscribe to my video. Bye.
Bye.